welcome back to the channel. As you can see, she's outside. So she's been off for its MOT. It got through that eventually. She's been to a show today. There is a few more niggles with it. But yeah, apart from that, it's all kind of done. Also, there is bits what I'm going to need doing. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. And it's had some good reactions so far. People stopping and staring. I'm not really quite sure exactly what it is, because from one end it looks old and from the back it looks slightly newer. But yeah, but we put together some drone footage and some other bits and bobs, so I'll let you watch that. Yeah, so it's not quite finished yet still. There is still some little bits I want to do to it. I still want to put bucket seats and some other bits and bobs in it. I still want to do some other little bits to the front end as well. I've got some other bits to go on at the front. But so in between doing this and then working on the other car as well. And that is what's going to be happening in the coming future. So yeah. So I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, see how we've got this far. I'll see you next time.